To celebrate the start of summer,
we're doing a full day of eating on the grill.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm Jasmine.
And I'm Chris.
And we are going to do a what I eat in a day today, but we wanted to make it fun, create a theme, and challenge ourselves. So
we are grilling all of our meals today,
including dessert. I'm really excited about this video because it just, well, first of all, we get to use our grill for the first time this year, which is really exciting because we live in the Pacific Northwest. It has been cold and rainy. It is honestly raining right now. We're waiting for the rain to stop so we can start grilling. But I've been wanting to use our grill, so this will be a good way to get the season started. So for breakfast this morning, we are making our hash recipe on the blog, but we're gonna be making it fully on the grill. We've never done this before, so it should be quite interesting. And we're also adding a few more ingredients just to, I guess,
zazz it up.
And also we have a lot of stuff to use up in the fridge, so that's kind of why it's happening. So let's head to the grill and get started.
So before we get our day started any further, we're gonna take our vitamins. And that also leads us to the sponsor of today's video, which is Ritual. And we've been taking their multivitamins for years now. We absolutely love them. And they have been really great with helping us fill the gaps in our diet. Even if you eat as perfect as you think you are, you probably are missing some.
As you think you do.
Yes. You're probably missing some nutrients, minerals, vitamins. So it's definitely a great way to make sure you're getting everything you need.
We love them because not only are they vegan, of course, but they're gluten-free, non-GMO. They have no added colorants, no added sugar, no fillers, nothing weird. And yeah, they're easy to take.
And what's really cool about Ritual is they have a fully transparent supply chain. So you can go on their website and you can see exactly where they source all of their ingredients from, which not a lot of companies do. So that's definitely a really cool thing.
And also all of their packaging is made out of recycled materials, which is also awesome. Another thing is Ritual has vitamins for everyone. So they have an essentials for men, essentials for women. They have prenatal, postnatal, 50+. They now have teen vitamins. And also they came out with their essential protein as well if you're looking for a vegan protein powder to add into your routine.
So if you want to check out Ritual for yourself, we have a discount code for 20% off your first month. All of the details will be in our description box.
And you can also use that discount for protein or vitamins. Wanted to just say that. Thank you so much, Ritual, again, for partnering with us. We're going to take our vitamins and get on with the video.
Cheers you. Oh, they're also delayed release, so they're gentle on your stomach, so you can take them without food. Which is also really cool. Yeah. And they have a mint tab, so they taste good too. Bye.
Okay, bye.
It's ironic when we said it was gonna be, we're celebrating warm and sun.
We're grilling in this.
It's pouring rain.
Doing it for you. We forgot to mention earlier, we will link our favorite grill safe pans down below if you're looking for a grill safe pan. So first up, we're going to cook our potatoes with some water. We're doing this because we want to make sure that they are cooked through so that later on they are not hard when we add the other ingredients. We drained some of the water, added some onion, garlic, red bell pepper, and Old Bay seasoning. You could also add spicy peppers as well if you'd like, but as you know, I don't like spicy, so I'm sticking to bell peppers. Next, we're adding in some beans. And we also have some liquid vegan egg. This is just egg. We ended up adding about a whole container of it, which is 12 ounces. We're gonna cook that up and then add in some kale. You can also do spinach as well, some shredded vegan cheese, and also season it with salt and pepper as desired. We like to serve ours with some cilantro. We would have added avocado as well, but we didn't have any. And of course, some toasted bread. Our laundry's going. Do you hear that?
And I also changed my shirt because I got it.
Oh my God, we didn't get that on camera, but the Just Egg exploded. Anyways, we are finally gonna eat. We did not film the chaos that just happened outside.
It was a lot. So it's raining here. There's a big portion of the summer where it's beautiful and we're not quite there yet.
Yeah, but we gotta film this early because we want you to see it before summer comes. So I don't know if you noticed in the video, it's all steamy because all of the freaking raindrops were falling into the grill and it was a whole thing. But anyways.
Ooh, I'm gonna get hot sauce.
Ooh, that is a good idea. Ooh, truff, baby. Oh my God, is that a lot?
Maybe.
Jesus. None for me. So Chris wants hot sauce, I don't like hot sauce, and then I cut up a lot of cilantro, but he doesn't like cilantro, so I put it all on mine. So I have a ton of cilantro. Oof. Even breathing that is spicy. This recipe is on our blog. We changed a few things. We had pinto beans, not black beans, so we used that. We added vegan cheese, vegan egg.
The recipe will be linked down below.
Yeah, we didn't add the sausage. We typically put vegan sausage or some sort of vegan meat in this, but because we're going to be eating some of those later today, I thought we could do without it. And it's good with bread. It's good with rice. It's good in a wrap. In tacos.
This is delicious.
Yeah, it's really freaking good. Really good for camping too. We actually made this recipe when we were camping once over a campfire with a cast iron.
Worked perfect.
It's also good with sweet potatoes. Okay, I'm done talking, sorry. With our what I eat in a days, they're not like,
they're not always like super realistic. Sometimes
this one's not realistic at all. Like there wouldn't be a day where we would like do this normally.
Yeah, just for fun.
We wanted to give you ideas if you want us to use your grill more, especially when it's warmer. I saw Vegan Bodega Cat post a TikTok and she said, what I eat in a day from a vegan who doesn't give an F, right?
A beep.
A beep, but that's basically like, I feel like that's kind of how we eat. We don't really structure anything. Some days we eat more than 3 meals. Some days we eat 2. It really just depends on the day. And I just
how we're feeling, what we're doing.
Yeah, and I just want to say, don't take our what I eat in a days and think that's how you're supposed to eat. Find what works for you. Find what you like. If you don't like the recipes we're making, that's fine. Like if you don't have the same palate as us, that's fine.
And just in general, everybody's different. Everyone has different needs, and it's all going to be vary. So never take any. I mean, this goes for what I eat in days in general. Yeah.
Yeah, not just ours. Honestly, anyone's. But
there's no specific way
to eat a vegan diet or any diet. There's no perfect diet.
But yeah.
Which is why you should be taking your ritual vitamins. But yeah, we are going to finish enjoying this, and then we're going to get into making lunch. We want to get into it as soon as possible because it stopped raining, so it's probably a good idea to just get into that. I don't know if we can eat it right away.
Also, if you have any grill recipes or suggestions, let us know down below. We can definitely do another video this year, or if anyone's looking at the comments, maybe we'll
looking
get some
for ideas. Yeah, definitely add links if you have a link to a blog post or anything like that. And yeah, we will see you when lunch comes because I really need to eat this. I need to stop talking.
For lunch, we're grilling up some burgers, and we're going to top them with some miso garlic mushrooms. In a bowl, mix together some dairy-free butter, miso paste, garlic, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and some black pepper, and we'll whisk that together until it is nice and uniform. And then we'll add in our shiitake mushrooms and mix it through until the marinade fully coats the mushrooms. We'll let that marinate for just a few minutes while the grill heats up, and then we'll transfer the mushrooms onto a cast iron pan to cook.
The sun's coming out! It still looks cloudy, but it's so much better than before.
We'll let our mushrooms cook for about 10 to 20 minutes. Times will vary depending on your grill, but as they cook, we'll pop on some burgers. We're using Impossible burgers, and we're also just adding some dairy-free cheese here. Once our mushrooms start to brown and get nice and crispy, you know they're about to be finished. We'll just pop on some buns to toast up really quick. And now we're ready to assemble our burgers. Feel free to top your burgers however you like, but we like to add some lettuce, the burger, tomatoes, our mushrooms, and then we have a Big Mac / special sauce. The recipe for this is linked down below, and then we serve it on a vegan brioche bun.
Chris actually made these the other day, and we're testing these mushrooms, and holy crap.
Really, really good.
These are so good. If you're gonna make anything from this video, the mushrooms are what you need to make.
Ultimate burger topping. Oh.
Yes. We're actually sharing one because we're still full from earlier, and then we still have to make dinner and dessert. So this is just more practical for us. I didn't want to make 2 and then waste.
Oh, it smells so good. If you give this to anybody, they're gonna love it.
If you live by a Kroger store, we have these private selection brioche extra large sandwich buns, and these are actually accidentally vegan. So if you're looking for vegan brioche buns, these are so good. They're so fluffy.
Normally they have eggs and milk in them.
So shiny. Yeah, and they're like perfect for burgers. I would highly recommend it if you want to elevate burgers. They just look so pretty.
Really, really good. But yeah, the mushrooms are great, and you can put them on, like you could serve them as like a dish on their own with like rice and veggies and pretty much anything. It doesn't have to go on a burger.
Wrap, pasta.
Even on pizza might be good.
Yeah.
Fries. But yeah, really, really good. And we have something very special for dinner tonight that I'm really excited about.
Me too. I'm also nervous.
So we're gonna eat these burgers and then we will see you for dinner.
So for dinner tonight, we were actually planning on making a different recipe, but then we got a sample of this vegan filet mignon from Juicy Marbles in the mail. And I thought it was the perfect thing to make on the grill. We're still gonna cook it in a pan, and we're gonna cook it according to the package directions and also a filet mignon recipe I found online.
I'm a little scared.
It looks crazy.
It smells like Beyond Meat a little bit.
Honestly, it's like Beyond Meat, but a little more dog foody. Because you know sometimes Beyond Meat has
Yeah.
that smell. I haven't tried it yet though, so don't.
Dog foodie.
You know what I mean though?
Yeah. I can't remember the last time I had a steak, so
I know. I mean,
comparing this is gonna be a little difficult, but
I think
I'm
we'll
excited
remember,
to try
though.
it. Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
I'm definitely curious about this.
Yeah, I've never cooked filet mignon in my life, so I'm gonna just follow this recipe I found. Hopefully, I will do it justice. This should be interesting, and we are going to give you our honest, first-hand opinion. Does that make sense? Yeah. So let's grill them up. So to cook this vegan filet mignon, we found a recipe online that we followed. So we added some salt and pepper to both sides, and then we first just kind of browned it on each side, then added in some vegan butter and some herbs as well as some garlic. Then we cooked it in that garlic herb butter until all of the sides were cooked through, nice and golden, and we made sure to spoon that flavorful butter on top as well, just so it would coat the whole piece of vegan filet mignon. Once it was nice and brown, we just removed it from the grill and sliced it up. Okay, when I was talking about the dog foodie gamey smell, I realize now it's more like spam. Like the smell.
Spammy.
It smells like spam. And then I texted my cousin a photo of it. She's like, oh my God, is that vegan spam? And now I'm realizing it looks like spam a little with the shape.
A little bit.
But
not after it's cooked, I guess.
Yeah,
right?
so, oh, let me get a fork.
So this looks kind of scary. It looks
First
like more
impression,
PC, I think, right?
It looks like pork. And it's like very pink inside. You know how like Beyond Burgers are like red? I don't know if they still are, but remember they used to be like super red? I feel like they're not as red anymore. But that's like the vibe I'm getting from this. Tastes like spam.
Tastes like Beyond Burger.
Tastes like spam and Beyond Burger combined.
I don't remember what steak tastes like, so.
Oh, you know what? It kind of tastes like steak, like at the end.
It's not bad.
Initially, the texture throws me off, though. It's definitely not a steaky texture. Like Chris was saying, it's very piecey.
You know what it kind of reminds me of? Corned beef.
That's good.
I wouldn't go out of my way to buy this.
I feel like I wouldn't either. It's like, it looks more revolutionary than it is, in my opinion.
I'm not like dying to have steak again.
This company should use this to make like carnitas, like pulled pork and shredded pork.
Yeah, I feel like if you pulled this and like made it into like a sandwich, like a pulled pork sandwich or like a steak sandwich, oh yeah.
That would be delicious, yeah. Overall, I think
It's fun. It's like a novelty, I guess.
It tastes yummy, but I would say if you fed this to a non-vegan, they wouldn't be like, this is filet mignon. They would be like, oh, okay, this is pretty good, but I
Like,
wouldn't-
why as a vegan are you having, why do you want to
need
replicate
eat
that?
meat? Why don't you just eat a real steak? Sorry. Don't even get me started, baby. We will link this down below. I don't know if they're still selling it. I know they do like launches and then they sold out. And they did a second round or a third round already, but I will link the website for you to check out. You can sign up for the newsletter.
Juicy marbles, baby.
Sign up for the next release. Unless they're in stock right now, we'll put it on the screen. Overall, really cool product. Cool they're doing this.
Yeah, I don't mind
It's
it.
not something that like blew my mind or something that I would go out of my way to get.
Agreed.
The day we were filming this, I think it was like a week and a half ago at this point, it started raining and we were gonna wait it out for the dessert, but we couldn't make it work. And then Chris and I got sick and now we are back in the kitchen. So it's been a while, but we are still gonna do a grilled dessert for you. And let's just pretend that this is the same day and that I look the same. For the grilled dessert, we are actually making our skillet cookie. We typically bake this in the oven, but we are going to try and make it on the grill. We have never done this before. I just wanna say that now. I'm hoping that it'll work. I think it will work. So let's get started. We're prepping this recipe just like we do inside when we bake it in the oven. So first we're melting some vegan butter in our skillet, and then we are making a flax egg. We're gonna add that melted butter to the flax egg and then add in our granulated sugar, brown sugar. We also have vanilla extract, salt, baking powder, and baking soda. Once that's mixed, I'm adding some all-purpose flour. And we're just gonna mix that through until a smooth dough forms, and then fold in our chocolate chips, or you can chop up your favorite chocolate bar as well. Then transfer this to your skillet, which is also already greased because we melted the butter in it. And we're just gonna bake this on our grill at about 350 for about 20 minutes. On our grill, it took faster than it bakes in the oven, which is typically 30. So just keep an eye on it. And when you see the edges are golden, then the cookie should be done. Last but not least, we are serving it with a scoop of vegan vanilla ice cream, and oh, I can't wait to dig in.
All right, you can't really see this.
So
but
hot.
Here it is.
The ice cream going onto the hot pan is like sizzling. So we were really nervous. Like I said earlier, we had never done this before. I think I might have overbaked it very slightly,
It's good.
but it looks perfect to me.
Tastes a little different.
Yeah, it has like a
Smoky taste.
Yeah.
But I guess that's to be expected.
I guess that's what you want when you grill. I like it.
Yeah, it actually cooked
Just
quicker
hot.
than it would have in the oven, so.
So we baked it for 20 minutes instead of 30, but the temperature was fluctuating and it did go higher than the 350. It went up to 400, you said?
Well, yeah, a little over 400.
So it just cooked a little fast because we weren't paying attention, but
Also, if you don't want to turn your oven on in the summer because you don't want to heat up your house and turn your air on, it's a great way to just go outside, enjoy the sun, and grill.
yeah.
Pretty cool.
We tried this Wonder Milk ice cream. It's really good.
It is really, really good.
The vanilla one. Well, we hope you enjoyed our full day of grilling,
And then another day.
but let's pretend it's one day.
Yeah, if you want to see more videos like this, let us know. Also, if you have any other like theme what we eat in a day ideas, also let us know because
Yeah.
we're always trying to think of like fun, creative things to do and
Treat it up for not only us, but for you, because
let us know because especially if you want to see different content, we definitely want to create that for you.
Yeah.
But yeah, if you're new here and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. Give this video a thumbs up and say hey down below. We'll see you soon. Peace.
Bye.